Good afternoon. My name is Mike Sokol, and I'm a director here at Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk. On behalf of all of my colleagues at Nasdaq OMX, I'd like to welcome the Corporate Executive Board Investor Relations Roundtable. We're very pleased that you could join us this afternoon to ring the closing bell, and I would now like to introduce David Wicks, Nasdaq OMX Group Vice President, for further remarks. David?
Well, good afternoon, everyone. It is my great pleasure to welcome the Corporate Executive Board Company and its Executive Advisor, Investor Relations Roundtable, Rikard Bandebo. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to all of our other special guests to NASDAQ. We're excited that you could all join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. Now, first and foremost, I'd like to thank the Corporate Executive Board for hosting today's Investor Relations Roundtable here at the NASDAQ market site. NASDAQ OMX has participated in several roundtables, and we remain committed to participating in and promoting forums based on information sharing, best practices, and thought leadership. The Corporate Executive Board is a leading provider of best practice research and analysis focusing on corporate strategy, operations, and general management issues. They literally drive faster, more effective decision-making among the world's leading executives and business professionals, powered by a member network that spans over 50 countries and represents more than 80% of the world's Fortune 500 companies. The Corporate Executive Board offers the unique research insights along with an integrated suite of members-only tools and resources that enable the world's most successful organizations to deliver superior business outcomes. Rikard, I'd like to congratulate you and the entire Corporate Executive Board team here on your accomplishments and wish you continued success. Now, please join me in welcoming the Corporate Executive Board Executive Advisor Investor Relations Roundtable, Rikard Bandebo. Rikard, come on up.
Thank you. First of all, on behalf of the Corporate Executive Board and the Investor Relations Roundtable, I would like to extend my thanks to NASDAQ for, firstly, allowing us to bring together today some of the world's leading heads of investor relations so that we could air best practices and achieve a great meeting of minds today. Secondly, we'd also like to thank you, obviously, for the ability to partake in this fantastic ceremony. The Corporate Executive Board is built on its network. It's what makes us powerful. It's what makes us what we are. So we wouldn't be able to do the things we do without our clients, without our membership. So I'd also like to thank all of our clients, particularly those of you who came today, for taking part in this event and making it as powerful as it is. So thank you.
Rikard, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good. We obviously value our relationship with Corporate Executive Board. We look forward to supporting you and your events in the future. And to commemorate today's closing bell, I'd like to present you with the NASDAQ Closing Bell Crystal. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's next, Maria Bartiromo.
On Wall Street, do you know where your money is? Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Closing Bell. I'm Maria Bartiromo here at Continued Default. A lot of people rolling out of their investments in the currency into the gold market is certainly something we continue to see. Some of the big gainers in the Dow were also a result of commodities. Big oil, Exxon, Chevron, very strong in today's trading session. A lot of traders down here on the floor, Liz and Dave, say fundamentals have been sort of thrown to the wind, and it is really momentum that